Hello guys, what is up? This is Ayush Singh Negi and I am back with yet another video. Today is going to be something very different from what I usually do. Usually my videos are based on cricket, but today on some request I'm making a video on Arduino and actually NODE MCU ESP8266. So firstly, what we are going to do is number one main thing is our software requirement. So the some of the things that we'll need are basically the main Arduino IDE interface. So we'll type Arduino in the Google search bar. Then we'll go to Arduino home. Okay, it's loaded. Now we'll go to software. And as you can see, we have Arduino 1.8.16. That is the one that we need. We'll download it. The one I'm using right now is 1.8.15. That's the older version, but 1.8.16 is the latest version, and we are going to get it from Windows. There's also another version called IDE 2.0 beta. It's for the people who want to test their skills at IDE programming and everything else. So I would not recommend I would not recommend beginners to use this. But you can go ahead and download the main software that is over here. Press on get. There's a simple donation page. We don't want to donate right now. We'll press just download. Okay, and there's this option, so we can just download it, get it. Yeah. Or there used to also be a simple downloading option. um, I guess not. I guess it's here. Okay, so you can go to the Microsoft store and open it. So I own this app, I have it um, already. So the next thing that is there is I will show you how it looks like in just a minute. Before that, we'll have to download something else, and that would be um yep, that would be this CP210. That is a port driver that we need, so that the serial port driver, so that our Arduino can actually connect, Arduino or ESP or any other microcontroller can connect to the computer. So it's CP210X USB to UART bridge VCP drivers. So the all you needed to do was go on CP210X, sorry, CP210X driver for Windows 10. There's sillalabs.com, and the first link, the very first link, Silicon Labs. Go there, go on downloads, and there you have it. The first link, the very first link. You might get a pop-up. You have to accept that pop-up, accept everything else, and then you have to click on this link. Your download will get started. Like, 1 second. Yeah, there it is. So as you can see, you'll have a zip file. Sorry, you'll get a zip file, but what you'll need to do is extract it somewhere, create a new folder and extract it. I'll just uh, I'll just share and show where I saved it. So yeah. mm, yep, so I'll just show it to you. Yeah, here it is. I created a new folder called CP210X, moved the zip file over here and extracted it over here. And as you can see, then what I did was I pressed on this X64, because my computer is a 64-bit computer, so I needed this. I clicked on this wizard, and yeah, I'll just show you how it is. Yup, installation wizard is over here. What you press on next, and it's already installed. In most computers, it's already installed, so you don't need to worry about that for the port. But all you need to do is finish, and you are ready to use. Sorry, I stopped sharing. Okay, because the window was closed. The next thing you gotta do is Now you will have to open your what do they call it, IDE. Yes, IDE. So I'll just share that IDE. Okay, so I opened my, okay, sorry for that, my audio is connected again, so I'll just share the screen. What we need to do is open the IDE, the Arduino IDE that we just installed. You can see there's a blank screen, blank thing that's created, a new sketch, we call it. So the new sketch is empty right now, but what we're going to do is, um, the first step would be to go on our tools, and when you connect your MCU, you'll get an option. So we'll see that later. I'll tell you all about it, but till then there's no need to worry about that. So the next thing that you'll do is you'll go on file, you'll go on preferences, and you're gonna type this in additional boards. Okay, you'll go on additional boards and you will type this. I will keep the link or whatever it is in the description box below, so you can just copy it, and it'll make things easier for you. So arduino.esp8266.com/table/package to install the package. It'll be a JSON file. So we click on OK next. And just to confirm that we have taken the right file, what I do usually is, I just take the link, I go on my browser, and I open a new tab, and type the link inside, and yeah, that same link, and see if there's something else. And there, yeah, as you can see, there's something logical over here. There's something logical that can be used for all the compatibility. uh, so yeah, that means we have got the right link, and we go back to our IDE. The next thing that we're going to do is basically, we're going to go on tools, we're going to go on board manager. Oh, I don't know, where is it now? Board manager, yeah, board, and then board manager. And you're going to search ESP8266. Okay, ESP8266. And as you can see, here's the one that we need. It's already installed in my particular IDE, but if you want to install it, you'll get an option to install over here. Just click on it. It'll take some time and it'll install all the tools. Just install the latest version if you want community, latest version, and you press on close. The next thing that you have to do is go on files, example, and from examples, you click on basics and blink, as this example will be about blink. So what we're going to do is click on this. So you will get another similar sketch opening up called blink. And I'll just, yeah, okay, I'll just share that one as well. Yep, my screen is visible now. So as you can see, blink is there. You won't need anything extra. Yeah, you won't need anything extra. So by default, these values will be 1000 and 1000 because it's in milliseconds. So that gets converted into seconds. So 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. The next thing that there is after this code is displayed, you go and save it. So you just press save as, and wherever it is, I saved it over here inside a folder called blink, and it's a capital B, and it's saved. Okay. The next thing what you have to do is, and that's it, now you got to save it, that's it. And then after that, what you do is you connect your MPU. Okay, connect your MPU, and that's gonna be it. Before that, I would like to give you a simple introduction about all of my um, all of the microcontroller, all of the tools, hardware tools that we need for this process. So yeah, I'll just stop sharing and I'll pause the recording. Oh wait, I should stop it. Okay. Okay, so the very first thing that you'll need is a NODE MCU ESP8266 module, which is right here. As you can see, I'm pointing it right now. It's over here, this module. And you have to carefully place it on a breadboard for some stability. That's all you're gonna need. And another thing that you'll need is a normal USB cable. I'll just show how it is. A micro USB cable, a normal USB cable, which you used for I don't know, your old phone's charging, I guess. I don't know if it's clearly visible or not. I'll just put it in front right now. Yeah. So that's about it. And all you need is, all you got to do is now, yeah, as I said, I'll come back to the screen, as it's way better if I explain it that way. Actually, the best part would be to do both things together, but I'm just thinking how I should do it. So yeah, I'll go back and forth. I should do that. Yes. Okay, so as you can see, I'm connecting this um, USB cable into my Node MCU, and then that I'm connecting into my computer. So just hold a minute. Yep, it's connected. It's already blinking because I uploaded that particular sketch into it. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording right now. As yes, so I'll just
Recording in progress.
as you can see, I've connected my MCU again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save my this thing again, blink, as 1 second. Yeah, so I'm going to save it, and now what I'm going to do is, as I mounted and connected it now, yeah, as I mentioned before, the one thing that we needed to two things that we needed to do before uploading the sketch was, firstly, the port is there, and you have to select COM4. The next thing that you have to do is, you'll have COM3 or COM4, just select any of the ones that are convenient to you, or both will do. The next thing that you have to do is go on board. You'll have two options, that is Arduino AVR module or ESP8266 boards. Now you go down to Node MCU. Okay, so it can be Node MCU ESP12 module or ESP12E module. You can try either. Both should work. I have selected Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module. So now what I'm going to do is, after selecting all of these things and everything else, now what we're going to do is we're going to upload. And as you can see, it's compiling right now. And yeah, let's wait for it. As it is, it was already blinking, but I would like to show you that it works. So yeah, let's wait for it to compile. I'm just waiting. Okay, hopefully it compiles. My system is lagging a bit because I'm recording two things at the same time, but yeah, it's fine. Hopefully after blinking, the blinking speed should change. Okay, so there's something on the screen right now. Okay, so we are connecting, and as you can see, it's 8%, 16%. It'll go on until writing at till 100%. And you'll see the, okay, now it's blinking a little weirdly. That means it's loading everything and writing everything. Now it's 100%. Now it'll blink in 1 second. Before it was a little faster because I selected 500 milliseconds. Now it's 1 second. So it's a little slower. And yeah, okay. So what we can try right now is I'll just put it to 250 seconds would be 250 milliseconds would be good. Yeah, as you can see, I've done it 250. I'm compiling right now. Hopefully it happens quickly. Okay, so here we are. 8, 16. Let's wait a little bit. 25, 3, 41, 50, 58, 66, 75, 83, 91, 100. Yeah. So as you can see, the blinking is a lot faster. So you can experiment and play around with this as it's pretty simple and it's pretty cool. So I will just stop my share right now. And yeah, I'll also stop the, yeah. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something new. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please tell me what other videos you would like to watch. I will always be there to show you something more because I'm very much interested into new things, new stuff, tech stuff, cricket, everything else, anime. You could ask me anything. So yeah, that's it for the basic tutorial for blinking on the Node MCU ESP8266, and that's gonna do it. So bye bye. Thank you. Ciao.